Hello and welcome. You are watching It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura and here's the latest weather update for India. Scorching heat in North India, rain and snowfall in hills. The outbreak of scorching heat has increased significantly throughout, including the capital Delhi, due to which the temperature level has crossed 40 degrees in all the states including Uttar Pradesh, where people have started using electric air conditioners. Western disturbance is active in the hilly areas where the rain conditions are present. In South India, the temperature is being recorded as very high. Some cold winds can also blow in parts of North India, Haryana, Punjab and UP. The mood of the weather can also deteriorate in the northeastern states. Meanwhile, the Indian Meteorological Department has issued a warning of heavy rain. According to the IMD, western disturbance seems active, so the weather will likely affect North India. The Meteorological Department has predicted heavy rains with thunder and lightning in Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. Cold winds are expected in Haryana, Punjab, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh in North India. Dust storms are also expected in western Rajasthan. There is no possibility of relief from scorching heat in Maharashtra even today. According to the forecast of the Meteorological Department, the temperature is expected to increase by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in most coastal and interior parts of Maharashtra and Gujarat. According to the IMD, more being felt in the central part of India. Due to the formation of a high pressure area from east to west, it will likely spread to Gujarat, Maharashtra and eastern parts. Cold winds are not seen entering central India where the temperature increases quickly. Heavy rains and snowfall can be seen in Arunachal Pradesh. Heavy rain warnings have been issued in central Maharashtra, north interior Karnataka, Goa, Kerala and more. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.